Hey folks, I'm Tony.
And I'm Tina.
And we're TNT RVing. So what are we up to today, Tina?
We are up to installing these LED under cabinet lighting by the company ASOKO. They reached out to us and wanted us to try these out. And they also are motion sensor. So I think this will be a great addition to the RV so I don't stub my toes in the middle of the night.
No more screams in the middle of the night.
I think it's going to be fun.
Alrighty. So let's open up the box and take a look and see what's inside. And also I wanted to point out to you, if you look here, Teen, it has the one that they sent us is the Cool White 6000. That's more of like a cooler white looking color. They also have a 3-light color, which is going to be more yellow, lower.
So really nice.
Yes. So we'll take this. This has instructions, a little tag here just in case there's an issue, some charge, USB-C. So that's real nice. It's fast charging. And let's just pull one of these out. I want to show you the way this works. So you can also see how thin that is, which is nice as well. On the back side of it, it has 2 magnets, and that's where these brackets come in. These are metal brackets that actually will magnetize to the back side of it. They come with 3M tape, so then you could place these underneath your cabinet or where have you, and that's how you attach them. You could easily remove them, charge them, and put them back up very easily.
Yeah, that's nice.
So this little dome here kind of looks like a little golf ball. That's the motion sensor. So in order to turn this on, what you do is you press this button once, and you can see how bright that is. You press it again, you have that flash. That flash indicates that the motion sensor is activated, and when it picks up your passing through, which there it is, and it is more sensitive than I just showed you, it will turn on. You want to shut it off, you just hit the button again. The other neat thing is that was pretty bright, and we would definitely not have it that bright when we were using this. So in order to dim it, what you do is you press and hold the button, and you can see how that dims, and we like it like that.
Yeah, that's nice.
The other neat thing too is it has a memory. So when you shut this off, the next time it comes on, that light setting is on. So it's not going to be really bright. So right now, Tina and I, we actually were playing around with these a little bit ago. My tip for you is going to be to get yourself some tape. We have some blue tape here. And what I did was I made a loop. We put it on the back of the light, and we tested it out in different areas of the RV to kind of see where we wanted to place them and what's going to work best for us. And so we're going to go ahead, and we decided we want to place this underneath the cabinet here as intended. And we found that that is perfect for us when we get out of bed and it turns on.
Right, and because our bed is just right there, so that actually, when you get out of bed, it will turn on. So we didn't want it like right by the bed, because then we were afraid if the covers fell, it might.
Right, because originally we were thinking, well, maybe we want it more like a toe kick lighting kind of a thing. You can, but I thought it was a little bit too sensitive.
For this RV.
For ours.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so we're cleaning up the area here. I'm using Windex with some vinegar just to get any kind of residual oils or anything off of there. And these were a little bit tricky, you'll see, to remove the little 3M backer of the tape. What we're going to do also, actually might as well just remove that too. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to put the sensor a little bit closer to the bed. The other thing we decided, since we like things square, I'm going to use this box, and I'm going to set the box against the back wall. So now I know that that's going to be square. We're going to kind of eyeball the center of this. Would you say that's center, Tina?
I don't know.
You agree?
Really a good angle, but yeah, sure.
Okay, let's go with it. So that's centered enough.
Actually, it does look good.
Okay, so now we should be pretty well set with that. I like it.
Yeah.
And then there's the auto. and then there's off.
Yeah.
What do you think of that?
I think it's great. And one of the things that I like it pitch black in here at night, so I put tape and cards over the microwave and over every little light in here, which makes it pitch black in here. So when I do get up in the middle of the night, it'll be nice to have a motion sensor light. So we're going to close out all the blinds and see how this looks.
Alrighty, so the light is off now, and Tina's going to simulate getting up in the middle of the night.
So I get up, swing my legs around, and I'm not even out of bed, and it already kicked on, which is awesome. So then I can walk to the bathroom, and I won't trip and fall or hit the stove or anything. This is going to be a great addition for sure.
Well, there you have it, folks. That was the ASOKO under cabinet LED lighting
With motion sensor. So a big shout out to ASOKO for sending this to us. It's going to be a game changer here.
And also, in the description, I'm going to post a coupon code that you could enter to get 15% off this lighting. I'm also going to post the link as well. And I appreciate ASOKO for passing that savings on to our viewers. I hope you found this video helpful, useful, entertaining possibly. If you did, appreciate it if you'd subscribe to TNT RVing.
Yeah, give us a big thumbs up, a like, and let's see you at the campground.
TNT.